This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this Kdenlive video, we will be talking about editing. It is always best to have a plan beforehand. Most often than not, if you're a beginner to editing video in Kdenlive or any other editor, the excitement is on. In Kdenlive, once you have put your video section together and then decide to add the audio, the worst thing you could do is start razor tooling. The first thing that should be done is listening to a portion of the Kdenlive audio to see if it is loud enough or too loud, and make proper adjustments. If you start slicing and dicing the audio, you will end up having to add any gain effect to each razor tooled section, making for a long editing process in Kdenlive. In Kdenlive, once you have added your gain effect and made proper adjustments, you should then listen to the audio, listening for any verbal mishaps like coughs or otherwise, and then remove them. Take notice, once I razor tool the audio in Kdenlive, it does not remove the gain effect in either portion of the audio. In Kdenlive, this gives you the advantage to also change the volume in a specific section, to which can also be handled by a gain keyframeable method. Once this is done, it is a good time in Kdenlive to remove any portion of the video that is not needed or make any rearrangements as needed. Once this is done in Kdenlive, take a quick look over to make sure you have not left any lingering section on your timeline, such as razor tooled portions not needed of video or audio, and delete them if any are found. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? After all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.